In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the LANDBANK mobile banking app. If you're interested, let's start the tutorial. To begin, you first need to install the app on your mobile device. Open the Play Store and type LANDBANK in the search bar at the bottom of your screen. You might see some sponsored results, but look for LANDBANK mobile banking and tap it. Next, tap install and wait for it to finish. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once done, tap open. The app will ask if you want to allow notifications, tap allow. You'll then see the terms and conditions. Feel free to read through them, then scroll down and tap I agree. After that, you'll need to register your device. The app will explain how this ensures that this phone will be your main device for authorizing payments and logging in. It also shows features like biometrics, mobile lock, and the OTP generator. For now, tap skip. To start using the app, log in with your user ID and password. If you forgot your password, tap forgot. If you don't have an account yet, tap open an account. You'll see a welcome screen with details about opening an account. Tap continue. Choose I would like to open a LANDBANK account, then select the account type you want, such as P+, Visa, Debit, or Gobiani. The app will show details like minimum balance and required initial deposit. Tap proceed, then fill out all the required information. You may need to provide valid IDs for verification. Once everything is completed, your LANDBANK account should now be ready.